Alright, this is my second mesquite log. It's pretty funky. It's got a lot of curves in it. So you can see curves in here, in here. It's got a lot of character to it. It's pretty twisted. I haven't ran into any nails or anything yet. Not looking forward to that. I'm gonna try to cut it so you see the branch right here, the split, so that should look pretty nice. Alright, looks like 15 by 18. About 71 inches, almost 6 feet. Recording me already?
Yeah.
Need to charge this battery. Well, the log wasn't tight enough.
Oh, is that why it's moving?
Yeah, well, I couldn't really get it to the edge because of how it's curved.
I wouldn't expect it any other way, dear.
Ooh, that's pretty neat. That grain.
Yeah.
The guy who got this piece coming out here.
So was this one of the branches from that
No.
giant mesquite tree? Or
The
this
two
was
branches we brought up north. This was from another tree I found on Craigslist. Or offer up one, two, I remember. Yeah, see? Yeah, see?
dusty.
Yeah. I don't know if that cut was gonna be that good because I had to push the log as I was cutting it. Anyways, we'll see. Yeah, those black marks are burned. Burn marks. This is really cool up here. It's like really wavy. Wavy green. It's already coming out. What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah, that's a nice piece. Feels pretty flat too. I mean, obviously can't, not exact, but I mean. looking really good. I really like this grain there, how it curves. Looks like those marks do come off. I just cut through my metal holder. Man, I cut it like nothing. Yeah, that's a lesson learned. I wasn't thinking about that. see how many I cut up. Look at all this sawdust. Whew. All right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pieces. Seems like I get 9 a lot. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with these yet. They make cool tables, or I mean, you name it. You can do whatever you want with these. Figured I'd just cut them in slabs right now so I can move them easier. Mesquite's unique wood to Arizona, at least the Southwest, and it has really cool wood grains.